Living in Miami Beach offers breathtaking ocean views, refreshing sea breezes, and a vibrant coastal lifestyle. However, that same salt-laden air that makes beach living so appealing can also take a toll on your home, especially your windows. Over time, salt air can corrode hardware, damage frames, and weaken seals, leading to reduced performance and costly repairs. Upgrading to high-quality replacement windows designed for coastal environments is one of the best ways to protect your Miami Beach home from salt air damage. How salt air affects windows. Salt particles carried by ocean breezes settle on exterior surfaces. When moisture combines with salt, it accelerates corrosion and material breakdown. Common issues caused by salt air include rusting metal components, pitting or corrosion on hardware, fading or peeling finishes, deteriorating seals, and weather stripping. Reduced window operation over time. Older windows, especially those with untreated metal frames or low-grade hardware, are particularly vulnerable. Choosing corrosion-resistant frame materials. One of the most important considerations for Miami Beach homeowners is selecting the right frame material. Vinyl windows are a popular coastal choice because they do not rust or corrode. Vinyl resists moisture and holds up well against salty air exposure. Fiberglass windows are another strong option. They are durable, stable in changing temperatures, and resistant to moisture-related damage. Avoid untreated aluminum frames, as salt air can quickly cause oxidation and surface deterioration unless they include protective finishes specifically designed for coastal climates. Stainless steel and coastal-grade hardware. Window hardware is often overlooked, but in Miami Beach, it plays a critical role. Hinges, locks, and fasteners must withstand constant exposure to salt air. Look for stainless steel hardware, coastal-rated locking systems, corrosion-resistant coatings. These upgrades prevent rust and maintain smooth window operation over time. Impact-resistant glass for added protection. In addition to corrosion, Miami Beach homeowners must prepare for hurricane season. Many replacement windows designed for coastal areas feature impact-resistant laminated glass. This type of glass provides protection from flying debris, reduced risk of shattering, enhanced security, improved noise reduction. By combining salt resistance with storm protection, impact-resistant replacement windows offer comprehensive durability. Advanced sealing systems. Salt air can degrade worn seals and allow moisture to enter your home. Modern replacement windows are built with high-performance weather stripping and sealed insulated glass units that prevent air and water infiltration. Tight seals help maintain energy efficiency, block humid air intrusion, prevent condensation buildup, protect interior finishes. Professional installation ensures the frame is properly sealed against both moisture and wind-driven rain. UV protection for long-term performance. Coastal homes are also exposed to strong sunlight year-round. Replacement windows with low emissivity coatings help reduce UV exposure, protecting your interior furnishings from fading. Low E glass also improves energy efficiency by reflecting heat away from your home during hot Miami Beach summers. Lower maintenance in a coastal environment. Salt air can increase the need for cleaning and upkeep. Choosing low-maintenance materials such as vinyl or fiberglass reduces long-term care requirements. While occasional rinsing is still recommended to remove salt buildup, high-quality replacement windows are built to withstand the coastal environment without constant repairs or refinishing. Preserving property value in Miami Beach. Homes in Miami Beach represent a significant investment. Visible corrosion or damaged windows can negatively impact curb appeal and resale value. Upgrading to salt-resistant replacement windows not only protects your home structurally but also enhances its appearance and market appeal. A smart upgrade for coastal living. Salt air is an unavoidable part of life in Miami Beach, but damage to your windows doesn't have to be. By investing in corrosion-resistant replacement windows with durable frames, coastal-grade hardware, and advanced sealing systems, you can protect your home from the elements year-round. With the right materials and professional installation, your new windows will deliver lasting performance, improved energy efficiency, and peace of mind, allowing you to fully enjoy the beauty of coastal living without the worry of salt-related wear and tear.